I hear there's a race coming. What's up, Nitro gang? You're looking at a Nitro TC3, but right behind it is an 8-scale buggy with a very rare Hyper 21 8-port. And check that out, it is a sickening, that's right, we got ourselves some boost. I heard, you know, Dom Toretto is going to be back in the Fast and the Furious, but what he doesn't have is a couple of sickening nitros. The story is, we gotta fire this vintage TC3 up. This is one of the most highly upgraded, highest spec, rare models I have personally ever seen. Now, if you guys don't know, TC3s are some of the best 10-scale nitro touring cars ever made in this hobby. This particular one is running an OS 18 TZ. The TZ is a turbo plug engine. It is the epitome of the OS small block 0.18 engines. Now, this particular model is also, I would say, rare because it's running the rear exhaust. So TC3s were available in multiple types of configurations. Some were kits, some were ready to runs, and the very select few were rear exhaust non-pull start. I think this chassis deserves a little bit more talking and knowledge. The reason is, this one is in really good vintage condition. Normally these would have had plastic upper decks and completely different chassis. This has a lightweight aluminum chassis. Yes, it has a lot of scratches, but that is because this car has hit the pavement many times. Notice how thick it is. This appears to be, I gotta say, maybe 3.5 to 4 millimeters with really nice and fat. And I could see where it comes out here towards the edge, it's beveled and thinner. So real creative use of material on this chassis. We have complete aluminum diff housings, carbon fiber shock towers, high-tech servos, and the sickening classic 2-speed baby transmission. The star of the show, of course, is the 18 TZ engine. Now, this car is not new, it's been used, and this in fact will be the very first fire up on this chassis. Now, the owner told me this was previously set up to do drag racing. So the suspension, for me personally, it's on the really rough side. Gotta get something better than just this piece of foam. Air filters, very important. I love this pipe. It needs a bit of a polish, and it'll be perfect. Well, now I think it's TC3 fire up time. Electronics are working. We're getting this thing set up for the starter box. Let's check out our throttle servo. Give the throttle a little bit. All right, throttle works. Receiver battery is charged. And I see we're pouring the fuel. When you pour the fuel, good things sometimes happen. Unless, of course, you grew up in the 1970s and you had to wait in fuel lines. What do we got? 20% on-road sidewinder?
Sidewinder.
I wonder what the oil content of this is. They don't say it on these fuels. It's probably, on-road usually is lower. I think off-road is usually higher.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it's not going to be anything, you know, that's like dangerous or anything. So let's get the fuel in and the nitro on the starter box.
It's 12%. It's 12% oil.
For the on-road, 12% oil?
Yes.
That's a very good blend. 12% is awesome, yeah. Actually. That's what I run in my old vintage fuels. You know which direction we got to start it?
Yes.
Well, you have a TC3, so you basically know.
Yeah, so this one's spins this way, so I gotta go this way.
We're doing real live FPV priming right here. Did we get it? I can't see because we got green fuel lines. This must be the hybrid edition. I think I saw something in there. I think I saw it get a little greener, like the green goblin. Might have to loosen the glow plug a little bit. That engine has crazy compression.
Oh yeah, it's tight.
Yeah, let's loosen the plug a little bit. This 18 TZ turbo, they don't joke around.
There you go.
Probably stuck at the top. You got to start it with the plug a little loose, and then put it back. You know.
Yep.
Yeah. So the flywheel, when you have really high compression on a colder engine, it gets stuck at the top. And you have to move it out. So loosen the plug a little bit. Real live starting. minimal edits. This is nitro. This is not electric. You get to love this kind of stuff. Tinkering, making things great, yelling fire in the hole. Working hard for a good time. All right, we got another glow driver. Maybe that's the trick, you know?
Well, it's these turbo plug. Doesn't really grab on. Doesn't really grab on.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Doesn't really grab onto these things.
Can you guys give me my glow driver, please? The orange one. Let's try this one. This is a awesome locking McDaniel. This one will never let you down until it does. Does it lock? Well, you gotta hold it. All right, it does lock. So I could see we are green over here. Okay. Go ahead, give it a shot.
Okay, where are we right
McDaniel,
here?
that's how you get it done. So McDonald's, McDaniel, they're all good. This is what I look like in case you forgot. I'm gonna give it a shot. Why did I wear glasses today? Okay. 1, 2, 3, fire in a hole. Fire in the hole! Finally! Yeah, we're gonna get it to run a little bit. I heard the two-speed shift early. Go slow, check the 2. Oh yeah, the 2 hits. We need to raise the idle. Wait, raise the idle. Idle is too low. Tilted right. Yeah, that's good. Cooling head space. That's level. Lower speed track. It's a runner though. Compression real high, you know? 2 speed even hits. Yeah. I kinda. That's why you want an OS engine. They fight you, but then they love you. Sickening. TC3 is off and furious. Man, these things roll so nice. They have real low rolling resistance, especially with foam wheels, the shaft drive system. You can't kill a 10 scale nitro, my dudes. You can't do it. Oh man, it has a lot of low end power on that right there. Sickening. It's a little rich on the low end. That's why it bogs down. And the 2-speed shift's a little early. I can hear the, you know, when it's hitting it. But the foam tires stick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 2-speed shift's early. But that engine pulls it. Yeah, 2-speed definitely works. Sickening. Going around the track. Man, this thing is carving it like a pizza pie. And it's still extra rich. Man, the handling, impressive. Oh yeah, that was a little power slide. Can't kill a TC3, my dude. It's too bad Team Associated doesn't make them anymore. Because this thing is a track killer. For its scale, that is, you know? Really well-centered, balanced chassis. No flipping at all. And you gotta realize, those foam tires, they hook up. They hook up good. Better than your first hookup. You know what I'm talking about? Can I get a hell yeah for your first hookup in the comments? If you remember your first hookup, give me a hell yeah in the comments, guys. And if her name was Bianca, give me a hell yeah. Yo, Bianca, hit me up. Running juicy. You know, these OS carbs, some of the best. Look at how that thing returns back to idle. That's what's up, my dudes. That's what's up. Now these do have a small tank. We are running a larger engine, so it's a refuel time. We also need to lean out the low speed a little bit. It's on that side. This carb has 3 needles. The low speed is on this side. All right, do like a small amount. Well, we let it sit there for too long. That's an indicator that our low speed was too rich, but the TC3 is fine. How's the engine?
It's okay.
Oh man, it's good. I can't even cook an egg on it.
Yeah, it's good.
If you know what I'm talking about, guys, give me a hell yeah. Hybrid cooks eggs. All right, we're gonna run this, guys. This video is gonna be short and sweet. I don't know if I'm gonna put a little more footage in this and that. I think that's all you need to know. Go get yourself a TC3. Give this video a like. Become a channel member if you really mean it. I hear there's a race coming. Somebody told me. I'm not gonna tell you who though. There's definitely gonna be 3 cars in this race. All right, my dudes. Let's line up after a little warm-up, do a bit of a warm-up, and then we're gonna line up. All right, this guy's warm. He just told me it's summer outside. Hybrid, shut up. All right, we got TC3. There's supposed to be a 3rd nitro on the left side. He's coming around. Line up. This is the NASCAR of our seat. All right, it's the HSP. When you're ready, I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3. TC3's in the lead. Oh, there was a tumble in the back. TC3's running wild. HSP had a little bit of a collision. Hold on a second. Your wings. Yo, what's going on? It's all right. We're gonna fix it, bro. Go ahead. He's off. Oh, it fell off. There's no warranty. I'm sorry, there's no warranty on that. Don't come to me with a warranty claim. Sickening nitro racing going on. TC3s are carving her up. I gotta say, the HSP cannot keep up. TC3s just treat the track like they own it. Oh, that was some turn over there. Nice smooth idle. That TC3 is angry. Why are you angry at, man? If you smell what the Nitro Gang is cooking.
Your girl so fine, but her breath is like, ooh. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to move.
Nitro World Order.